In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix canonical URLs using Yoast SEO if you're dealing with duplicate or very similar pages on your WordPress site. Setting the correct canonical URL helps search engines understand which version of a page should be treated as the main one. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that setting in Yoast SEO and how to update it properly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be at the main admin area where you can manage your site's content and settings. This is where all of the changes in this tutorial will begin. Next, go to either the Pages section or the Posts section, depending on the type of content you're working with. Find the page or post that has the canonical issue and click Edit. Make sure you open the specific piece of content where you want to correct the canonical setting because this change is made on an individual page or post basis. After the editor opens, scroll down below the main content area until you see the Yoast SEO meta box. This section contains several SEO-related settings for the content you're editing. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling because it's usually located underneath the content editor. Inside the Yoast SEO box, click the Advanced tab. This is typically represented by a gear icon. The Advanced section contains more technical SEO options, including the field you need for canonicals. Take your time here because this is where the important adjustment happens. Once you're in the Advanced tab, locate the canonical URL field. This field tells search engines which URLs should be considered the preferred version of the content. It's especially useful when multiple URLs could lead to similar or overlapping pages. Now enter the full URL of the preferred page you want search engines to prioritize. Be sure to use the complete address, including the correct protocol, such as HTTPS if that's what your site uses. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake in the URL can point search engines to the wrong page. Finally, click Update or Publish to save your changes. If the post or page was already live, you'll usually click Update. If it hasn't been published yet, you'll click Publish instead. This saves the canonical setting so search engines can begin recognizing your preferred URL. And that's it. By updating the canonical URL in Yoast SEO, you help improve clarity for search engines and reduce the risk of duplicate content issues.